Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my Liquid Crypto Gold review. Now, I am here inside the members area, and during this video, I am going to give you its demo and what it does. I am going to detail in this video, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below this video. Now, as you see in the title or thumbnail of this video date, I am giving Liquid Crypto Gold for only $2. Its real worth is $17, but when you buy from my link, you will get your $15 back. In the bonus area, you will get your $5 instant and remaining money within 12 to 24 hours. Now you might be thinking that why I am giving this huge discount. So the reason behind is that I am an affiliate of this product, and when you buy from my link I will get some commission, and in this case it is $15. That's why I am giving your money back to you. Now you also might be thinking that why I am giving my commissions to you. So I want you all to take action and grab this instead of wasting time. I know this will help you to make money, and you love this, and if you love this you will definitely buy some of its upgrades, and I will make money on them. Now let me tell you what is Liquid Crypto Gold is all about. So Liquid Crypto Gold is a cloud-based software with training course of our product, which will help you to make daily commissions, free crypto, or even gold without investing in them. It also have free built-in traffic so that you don't have to worry about traffic. Everything you need to succeed is included in this software. It is 100% beginner friendly. Within some clicks, you can start to earn. With Liquid Crypto Gold, you can start to earn from day one, which is a very good thing. You will also get done for you funnels and training. With Liquid Crypto Gold, you can make 3 to 4 figures daily. And more details of Liquid Crypto Gold I will give you later in this video. So Liquid Crypto Gold is going live on 5 August 11 a.m. EST. So when it goes live, you can click any of the button on my bonus page and it will bring you on the sales page where you can buy it. So pick the Liquid Crypto Gold before my bonus page expire, which I don't want because I spent a long time to put and find these bonuses so that you can get best out of as possible. And these bonuses are not going to be available through anybody else link apart from mine, and I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get through my link, which is down below of this video. Now let's see what are my bonuses. So my first bonus is you will get access to the Lost Code and the Waking. Both these are traffic app and they will bring traffic to you on autopilot for free without spending a dime. So with these two softwares you will get unlimited traffic. So my second bonus is you will get access to the Fugo Breakout and Fugo Multiplier. Both these are training product and it will teach you how to get traffic on autopilot and for unlimited without spending a dime online and without spamming on social media or having an email list. So it is a very good bonus. So my third bonus is you will get access to my personal social media hack, in which I'll reveal all my strategies how I got money with the help of the social media on autopilot for unlimited and you don't have to do much work. In this I reveal all my strategies and my resources which I use to generate much amount of money. So, so my next bonus is you will get access to my advanced traffic training, in which I'll tell you how I got millions of visitors to my affiliate link through a underground secret hack and how I make hundreds and even thousands of dollars from it. So my next bonus is you will get access to a suite of 16 software which include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, video hosting platform like Vimo, dropshipping platform or e-commerce platform like Shopify, account of Kabazi, and much more softwares including in it. So you will get account of all these software for free and for lifetime. As you know that ClickFunnels average price is $99 per month and an autoresponder average price is $50 per month, and other softwares have different price value, but you will get all these for free. So my next bonus is you will get a premium hosting with a domain, including some premium themes, plugins and training also included. With this bonus, you can publish your website on internet with a premium hosting and a premium domain with premium plugins and themes. And the training course will tell you how to do all this and how to rank your website and much more things to make money from blogging or website. Now my next bonus is that I'll tell you earlier that I'm giving your $15 back. So this is the next bonus, that if you buy from my link which is down below of this video, you will get your $15 back, which is a very good bonus I am providing to you. I also put a bonus that you can send your email to my list every day, each day, and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. So I'll tell you my list, that my list have over than 120k subscribers, and you can send 1000 emails per day to my list and boost your conversion rates and get traffic to your affiliate link. So my next bonus is, I am holding a $1500 contest, and if you win this contest, you will win $1500, and all this contest detail are in my bonus area. So bonuses up to 9 are only for first 100 people, because I am giving to only action takers who take action and grab all these, because these are very exclusive and I don't want to give them to all. So hurry up and buy it from my link. And as you can see, there some spots may already be gone because some of my buyers from my email list already buy it. So the seats have very less, and hurry up and buy it. So my next bonus is, I am giving my email marketing hack, in which I'll tell you how I build my email list and how I convert them and make sales and make money from it through email marketing, and how you can do this also in a very simple way and fast without spending money a lot. So my next bonus is, I am giving you a 40 free bonuses that you can give away to your audience to boost your conversion rates and make sales and make more money. Because with the help of bonuses, you can make more money and more sell. And my next bonus is, I am giving a training of banking with bonuses, in which I'll tell you how to use those bonuses to give you to cost customers and how to boost sales, make huge money, and much more from them. So my next bonus is, I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you, and you will access all these bonuses. Now my next bonus is, if you stuck any part of the software or training course, you can contact to me. I will help you and you will get support from me. Now my next bonus is, I am giving you my personal case study on how I got 2.9 million visitors to my website or my affiliate link, and how you can do this also. In this case study, I'll tell strategies how I got this huge amount of visitors to my link. And my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you how you can leverage the power of chatbot to interact with your buyers, to help them and to make money from them and boost your conversion rates. Now my next bonus, if you buy CB traffic app from my link which is down below of this video, you will automatic approval to all of my product of past and future. So next bonus is, so mine is $300 CPA every day. It's a best course on Warrior Plus, which will tell you how to make money through CPA marketing. So my next bonus is $500 CPA every day. It also CPA marketing course, and all those bonuses from one to last are very exclusive. These are created by my team and very good affiliate marketers or creators in on the internet. You have any doubt, then you can search by any of this product on Warrior Plus on and or on the internet, and which this will tell you that how this product is very good. So without wasting time, let me tell you my next bonus, which is CPA coffee shop method. It's also CPA marketing course, but and this will tell you how to make CPA commissions through social media. So my next bonus is $200 cashback. It's also a training course. So my next bonus is $2K CPA traffic jacker. It's also will tell you how to get traffic on your CPA offers.
So my next bonus is $250 cash magnet, and this is a software which will make $250 per day for you on autopilot. So my next bonus is the commission glitch. It's a very good product and training course on how to get traffic for free to your links. So my next bonus is six figure influx. This will tell you how to make six figures and much more from it. So my next bonus is $1,000,000 toolbox. It's also a training course and best training course on the internet. And my next bonus is overnight commissions. It's also a software which will make commissions for you or on overnight. So my next bonus is commission toolbox. It's also a very good traffic course and training. So my next bonus is pure profit payday. It will tell you how to make money online through affiliate marketing by getting unlimited traffic for free without spamming on social media. So my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, and it is also CPA marketing course. And my next bonus is the commission profit hack. It's also a training course which will tell you how to make huge commissions through affiliate marketing for free. So my next bonus is instant traffic jacker, which bring traffic on autopilot for you through the internet. My next bonus is the commission magnet. It's also a training course on traffic. So my next and last bonus is the commission blueprint. It also a very good product. So I am not going to detail all these products which I give you as bonus. You can search of that, and these are very good. These are not any PLR products, and you can search on the internet that how good these products are and how valuable these are. All of these words are written by side of them.
So for claiming all these bonuses, first thing you need to do is click on the link which is down below this video and come on my bonus page. Just be aware that it goes live on 5 August 11 am EST. So when it goes live you can buy it. Now let me tell you how you can access my bonuses. So when you buy it, then in your Warrior Plus history you can see there this blue button access your bonus. Here you can access all the bonuses which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonuses if you buy only the front end product, which is Liquid Crypto Gold, which is only for $17. And as you know that I'm giving you $15 back with all of my bonuses. Now let's see the sales page of Liquid Crypto Gold. Now I am on the sales page of Liquid Crypto Gold, and as you can see there, first moreover profit in an untapped multi-trillion dollar industry. This secret green energy platform make us automated daily crypto and commission without selling a thing. Set and forget same results, same day results, and it is risk free. So you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars from it. And here's a short introduction video, you can also watch it. Now there are some of its key features. Let me tell you one by one. This is making us 3 to 4 figures daily. Built-in buyer done for you funnel and training. First to market automation, tech and platform. 100% beginner friendly, no tech skills, no site or funnel. Get paid in cash, crypto, even gold without investment. First time user also getting results, and take less than 50 minutes a day. So it's a very good product, and you can see more about information here. Now here some of income proofs you can see, and here you can see warning, this has nothing to do with SEO, launch jacking, PPC, risking any money, buying crypto, trading crypto, social media marketing, selling product, video marketing, CPA, e-commerce, drop shipping, and nothing else. Now as you can see there, it just take 3 simple steps to get started. Step 1, access the done for you funnel inside our secret platform. Step 2, connect to the secret green energy crypto program at no cost. And step 3 is relax and get targeted flood of traffic and make money from it. Now here are some more testimonials. Now here's some more information about it, you can read it out. Now he is the creator of this product, the Matrix, and you can read more information about it. Now as you can see, here's no selling, no competition, no tech stuff, no experience, no more shame, no waiting for results. Now here's more, you can read it out. Now, as you can see, introducing Liquid Crypto Gold. Passive profit powered by crypto. Make daily free crypto without investing a dime. Cash in from $3 trillion energy industry. 100% beginner friendly. Get paid to build your buyer list. Recurring and compound commission. All exclusive system included. So it's a very good thing, and here more information about it. You can read it out. So we give you everything it takes to succeed. You will get the secret crypto platform, and you can read more about it here. Done for you commission funnel. You will also get automated free traffic system, so you don't need for any traffic. You will also get some copy and paste emails done for your social media post and everything you need. Now here's some more information, you can read it out. Now here you can see top 6 reason this is the best free crypto and commission platform. Step 1, massive, bigger than Amazon. Unique, ground floor, first more ever profit. Third, simple, perfect for beginners. Fourth, risk free, you don't invest a dime to get paid. Fifth, multiple revenue streams, built in scaling. And sixth, done for you, set and forget. Now this guy also give you some bonuses. So bonus number 1 is, you can read it out here about it information. Now as you can see, it is 100% risk free, because it's have money back guarantee of 30 days, which means if you don't make money in 30 days, then you will get back your money. Now here's some more information about it, and here you can see there are some frequently asked question. So first question is, how does Liquid Crypto Gold make people money? We include the secret platform done for you funnel and automated traffic that generates user commission, leads and free crypto whenever green energy is traded. And you can read more about it here. Is this really beginner friendly? Absolutely it is. How much time does this take? So it can be take less than 30 minutes. What does support and updates? So you will get 24 by 7 supports at no extra cost. Is there a really money back guarantee? Yes, it's have 100% really money back guarantee of 30 days. So it's the sales page of Liquid Crypto Gold, and you can read more about it from there, because it is very detailed and I don't want to make this video very long. So check it out, this whole sales page in your own time, and in my opinion it is a very good product, so you should purchase it now. Now let me tell you its prices and upsell. So its front end product is Liquid Crypto Gold, which is only for $17. As I'll tell you before that, I'm giving your $15 back with all of my bonuses. So its upgrade one is Liquid Crypto Gold 10x Accelerator program, in which you will get 10x more profits and commissions in your, and you will get earnings in 90% less time with zero extra efforts, and it's only for $37. Now its OT2 is Liquid Crypto Gold Unreleased Done For You suit, in which you will get everything done for you, and in this you will get done for you campaigns, done for you money, which means done for you traffic and everything you need. With this, you can automate your funnels. You can get recurring commission, and it is only for $67. Now, its OTO 3 is done for you traffic, which is only for $197, in which you will get automated done for you campaigns and traffic. And with the help of upgrade, you will get more and more and unlimited amount of traffic, so that you can make more money from Liquid Crypto Gold, and it is only for $197. Now its upgrade 4 is limitless buyer visitor for only $497, and in this upsell you will get 100 plus visitors per month for the next 3 months to your subscribers and links. In this, you will also get masterclass, live workshops, and everything you need to succeed. And I have not much information about it. Now, these are the all upsells of Liquid Crypto Gold, and in my opinion, you should purchase it. OTO number 1, which is Liquid Crypto Gold 10x Accelerator program, in which you will make more money and in less effort. Now, if you have some more money, then you should also purchase it. OTO number 3, which is done for your traffic, in which you will get more amount of traffic, unlimited traffic, so that you can make money and it is only for $197, which is not too much expensive. So these are the all upgrades and upsells of Liquid Crypto Gold, and it's all about. Don't forget to check out my bonuses on my bonus page, and I'll speak to you in some of the next videos. Take care. Bye.